with the growth for mechanical keyboards among typists and gamers. It's clear people value tools that improve comfort, performance, and durability. The same applies to personal care accessories like shower benches, which help with safety, convenience, and accessibility in the bathroom. This guide evaluates the best shower benches, considering build quality, stability, weight capacity, storage, and value, so you can choose the perfect bench for your needs. List 1. Bona HDPS shower benches for inside shower, gray shower stool for shaving legs with shelf. The Bona HDPS shower bench is a stylish and functional addition to any shower. Designed with a sleek gray finish and crafted from durable HDPS material, it's resistant to water and easy to clean. The bench is perfect for sitting while washing or for safely shaving legs. A built-in shelf provides extra storage for toiletries or towels, keeping your shower organized and clutter-free. List number: Oridom HIPS shower benches for inside shower. Shower stool with space-efficient storage shelf. The Oridom HIPS shower bench offers both practicality and space-saving design. Made from waterproof HIPS material, this bench is sturdy and lightweight, yet durable enough for everyday use. Its built-in shelf allows you to store soaps, shampoos, or loofahs within reach while maintaining a tidy shower space. The neutral tone and compact footprint fit well in most bathrooms. List number: ES2ARE Classic shower chair for inside shower, certified 300 pounds, non-slip shower seat with suction feet. For those who prioritize safety, the ES2ARE Classic shower chair delivers peace of mind. It is certified to hold up to 300 pounds and features non-slip suction feet for maximum stability, even on wet surfaces. The lightweight aluminum frame is rust-resistant, and the contoured seat has drainage holes to prevent water pooling. This chair is easy to assemble and adjust to your preferred height. List number: Homeland shower chair for inside shower, FSA HSA eligible, 400 pounds, adjustable shower stool with suction feet, shower seat. The Homeland shower chair combines durability with thoughtful design. Supporting up to 400 pounds, it's ideal for heavier users or those who need extra stability. The seat height is adjustable, and the rubber-tipped suction feet ensure the chair stays put during use. Its wide, ergonomic seat and lightweight frame make it comfortable yet easy to move. Being FSA HSA eligible, it's also a smart. List 5. Drive Medical 12011KD-1 Tub Transfer Bathtub, Height Adjustable Shower Bench with Backrest. The Drive Medical Tub Transfer Bench is a lifesaver for individuals with mobility challenges. Its extended bench allows users to sit down outside the tub and safely slide over without stepping in, minimizing fall risk. The bench is height adjustable and has a sturdy backrest for support. Suction cup feet provide stability on slippery surfaces, ideal for post-surgery recovery or long-term use.